Here's an old school tip for all you young people that maybe you've seemed to have forgotten. Back in the day, this old school trick is one of the first things you'd do if you needed to market something. Anything from the kitchen sink to fridges, and even maybe something for the holidays. And you're probably thinking, but I offer a service, so it doesn't work for me. I'm here to tell you it works for any business, and any product, and any service. So, Arthur, I hear you cry. What is this old school trick that people seem to have forgotten? Well, it's not to subscribe, but you should still click that subscribe button now. It's so simple you'll kick yourself. Tell people about what you actually do. The best way of doing that is with a sales brochure. Now, it doesn't need to be any fancy SEO or social media. A folded printed sheet of glossy paper. Put in some lovely photos, some details about what you offer, and a word or two on pricing and how to contact you. And in this digital age, you don't even need to get it printed. There are plenty of design websites that offer free or very cheap document creation. It's one very effective way of telling people actually what you do. A download from your website as a PDF file means that they can keep it and even share it with others. The best way of telling people what you do is to tell them. And a sales brochure does that without you even being in the room.